Hello, welcome to the Peace Garden. Hey, have you noticed we got a lot of rain this week? We've actually broken records for rainfall in April. We've gotten over 10 inches in the last month. Some places as much as 20 inches. That's unusual. So if you look behind me while we walk, you'll see the Peace Garden is looking very green. Everything's bursting to life here. The other thing I wanted to show you guys this week is take a look in the orchard. So you guys know the mulberry tree. Mulberry tree is bursting into life. Here's some young fruit already on it. There's a pomegranate bloom. The persimmon leaves coming in. The grape leaves. And look right there. Tiny baby grapes. You see all that fruit? So this summer looks like it's going to be good for apricots. There's our peach. The tangerine. Hello, chickens. You can see the chickens have lots to eat right now. All of the rain coming up has brought us lots of things for them to eat. Try to get outside a little bit if you can. Walk around when it's not raining. And take a look what's blooming, what's turning green, and what our summer might look like. So until then, enjoy the outdoors.